I'm Bill Remy, CEO of TBM Consulting Group. What have we seen in the last 4 years? We've seen changes in economics, market shifts, global uncertainty due to pandemics and supply chain disruptions, and they've all impacted our businesses in many ways. What we need to do is create a response mechanism that creates agility and responsiveness in our businesses that can help us perform and use it as a weapon to outperform our competitors. We've put together 5 strategies to help you outperform the competitors. First, focus on your people. People are the most important part of your business. You have to think about the demographics of the incoming workforce. How can we create tactics for training, onboarding, and on-ramping them into the business so that they become productive and become part of the organization, and we retain them over the long haul. 2, productivity. Manufacturing in the US has been stagnant for well over a decade. How can we find inefficiencies and waste in the business that will yield double-digit productivity gains and also shorten lead times so that we become more agile and responsive? 3rd, supply chain. We've become used to long lead times as the norm, and we need to address that by seeking alternate sources, dual sourcing where possible, redefine customer service levels in some items, and SKU rationalization. Use value engineering to rethink components and simplify the supply chain. Lastly, nearshore, reshore opportunities to shorten lead times and create delivery reliability. 4 is leveraging technology. Technology is growing rapidly in its importance. There's a lot of buzz. You can't get caught in the fear of missing out. We have to think about what technology offers to us in terms of problems it solves in the business or capabilities that it creates. We need to use a crawl, walk, run approach to implement that technology so that it becomes part of the fabric of running the business and gives us those gains that we're looking for. 5 is find hidden opportunities in ESG. Look at the business through an ESG lens, environmental, social, and governance. If we look at the environmental opportunities within our business around safety, energy reduction, and waste stream reduction, we can find opportunities that improve the environment, both in our business and externally in our communities, and yield gains in 2 respects, socially and bottom line productivity that falls through to the business. In summary, we believe these 5 strategies can help you create the year-over-year productivity gains, make you more agile and responsive so you can sustainably grow year over year. So let's get busy in 2024 working on these strategies so that we can become more agile and responsive. Thank you for your time.